Hi friends, Namaste to all my fellow meditators. We come today with a new topic that is change. We will see what is change, why we need a change, and what is the mantra to change ourselves, and also what are the affirmations that we can make to change. So we all want our life to be changed, isn't it? We want life should be changed and in growing manner, very happy, all that thing. What we resistant it to change is to change ourselves, to change within ourselves. So that is the change we are talking about here. How miraculous things will happen, how positive things will happen in our life only when we change within ourselves. So we must change inside. We must change the way we are thinking. We must change the way we are speaking. We must change the way we are expressing ourselves. Then only the change will happen. So the author of this book, when we read, so she is actually had a very hardships in her life, and then from that she learned so many lessons, and she changed a lot. Even then, she's saying that at sometimes she used to feel that, oh, I'm very resistant to change. I can't change. But then we feel stubbornness in so many places, right? So we should not, whenever that stubbornness is coming to change, we have to think carefully why why we are actually resistant to change. What is that it is stopping? Every time we are resistant, you try to, because you are trying to release something. Change means you are trying to release something, and then you want to adapt a new thing. So what is that? It is not allowing you to release the thing. Is it a old belief? Is it some thought that we learned from the childhood, or some thought that we believed that it is to be true from the childhood? First, dig that particular thing in very detail. Then see what are the benefits that you keep that change in your life, or what are the benefits if you throw that change, throw that belief out of your life. So you can change only when you start taking off some of the things which is already there with you, and then adapting the new things. So take off the old beliefs and adapt with the new beliefs. Then only the change will happen. It is always, suppose, actually, if you take any good masters, right? Good masters are a good Vivekananda or some enlightened masters, if you take, they didn't come from a very luxurious, happy life. They also have their own pain, suffering. They learned so much from that. They worked on themselves, and they removed all the layers, all these layers, and they replaced continuously. They worked on themselves, and they replaced us continuously with the new things, and they become the change. So this replacement and this removing the old layers and adding the new layers should become our life's occupation. So the change will always happen. We have to accept it. Okay, we have to accept it, to release the old beliefs, that what I do. So if I release this belief the way I do today, what will happen? Am I going to lose anything? Am I going to gain anything? So if we keep actually unnecessarily, is it not occupying my space, my space in my mind? So think of that. Then if you feel that that is no longer needed in your mind, take off that and then add the new thought. So which means, like, if Christmas comes, we will clean our home, right? Christmas cleanup, spring cleanup, something like that. So likewise, like we are cleaning our physical space, it is also necessary to clean up our mental space. Okay, go to your mental rooms and work on yourself. So try to clean up your mental homes. You polish and you shine. Suppose when you find out some of the thoughts, some of the beliefs, sometimes you may feel that that belief is no longer valid nowadays. You may have to polish that. You may have to do polish and shine. Or some of the beliefs you may be that no, this is not at all required. You have to replace it or repair that one. So you have to clean up your mental, and some of the things you may see that this is not at all required and no more. Suppose let us take a friend of yours, a family member of yours has hurted you some 10 years back. You are still remembering that, and whenever you are going to that situation, you are still feeling that pain, the pain that you felt 10 years back. How many number of times you go to or you remember that friend or remember whoever it is, so you are again and again and again you are actually feeling that pain. Is that required? He is no more in he or she is no more in your life. They got hurt and they went off. Then why actually you are remembering again and feeling the same pain again and again? So these are the like old newspapers. Yesterday's newspaper is old today, and old magazines are nothing, no, not required. So these are the paper, these are the things which you have to throw out of your home so that you can make a room for the new things, right? Similarly, these are the old beliefs, the old pains you have to throw out of your mind, clean up your mind so that you will have a good place in your mind to fill up with the happy thoughts, fill up with the happy moments. Okay, so we have to clean up our mental rooms. Suppose, let us take how it will be. So whenever you are trying to do this, you may feel that it is a very hard or it is much more mess when you are trying to clean up, right? So when you are trying to clean up, what you will do? Oh, this thought, you are actually remembering all the thoughts that is there in your mind from the past, right? So you are actually remembering each and every incident or each and every room you are cleaning, right? You are actually digging all the old things in your home. Similarly, you are digging all the old. So when you remember all at one go, you may feel that you are much worse than before. It will happen. The reason is, suppose, let us take, you have been eating all junk, pizzas, burgers, chips, whatnot, all the junks you are eating entire life. And one day, by looking at your mirror, you realize that what is my body shape? I want to become a healthy. I want to work on my body. You take a decision that you are accepting yourself and you want to work on your body. So when you want to work on your body, you want to go to the nutritional program, some good nutritional program. When you go to the good nutritional program, all of a sudden you have changed your diet. Okay, when you change your diet, there will be so many changes will happen to your physical body, and also you will see that, oh, I'm feeling headache, that there's so many things. Until you get used to that new program, you will feel all these kinds of things. Similarly, whenever you are trying to clean up your mental rooms, you will face all these things. You will be able to remember all the old things, old pains, old beliefs, all the things. You may feel much more pain at that moment, but you have to think and let it go. Once you feel that particular thing is no more required in your life or mind space, then you take up them, then you feel it is a good. I'll give you one more example on this. Suppose after the Thanksgiving dinner is over, then think the next day, look at your sink, all your whatever the turkey pans, everything is lying in the sink and it is so dirty. What you will do? You will soak with some powder, some water. You will soak with it. When you soak with it, it will become much more dirty, right? Then you will scrub it. You feel much dirty. Then scrub it until it goes off. So after a while, that becomes clean. Similar to that, you scrub your mind until all your unnecessary thoughts will go off. Then once all the unnecessary thoughts go off and let them go, then you will get your mind is free, and then you can fill up with all the good thoughts and you can replace the old beliefs with the new things, etc. Okay. So what is exercise that we can do? How we can change ourselves? Okay, this is what change is, why we require change, we saw, right? What is the thing that is required? Only one mantra that is required to change it. I am willing to change. You have to accept yourself that you are willing to change. Any resistance no longer is there with you. Stand before the mirror in your bathroom and then look at yourself, what you want to change, what are the things you want to change within yourself. Okay, and assume that you are powerful and you are going to change it. These are the unnecessary changes you are not going to keep in your mind. Mirror work, believe me, mirror work is very powerful. Just stand before mirror and talk to yourself, self talk, and take out all the unnecessary things. Make a positive declaration about yourself. Okay, make a quickest positive affirmations in front of the mirror, and it will work. It will work like a miracle. Believe me, friends, they will work. Be aware that whatever you do not want to change, suppose when you look at the mirror, I want to become slim, but I do not want to change. I do not want to give up my junk. Let us think. then think of what are the things that is required. What are the things? What do you think? How that is going to help? Suppose if you are becoming more, your health is becoming more worse. What are the things? If you give up the chance, what is that? What are the benefits that you are going to get, right? So in this way, each and every resistance, whenever you become stubborn, you try to act and see what are the benefits and what are the why you are resistant to that particular change. Okay, friends. Now, before I close, as yesterday after video, somebody asked me like, can you show those affirmations on the screen? So I'm trying to show you the affirmations on the screen so that you all can see. Okay, just a minute. Let me share my screen. Okay, friends, here are the affirmations you can see. These are the affirmations that you can, not all the affirmations you need it. You may need, you can, whatever the affirmations you like it, that you can take one or two. Changes can begin in this moment. Don't postpone the change for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Change can begin in this moment. And I'm willing to see how, where I need a change. I need to change. Life brings me only good experiences. Okay, well, if you change, don't expect that some bad may happen. No, the change, I'm changing for good, and life is going to bring only the good experiences, and I'm open to new and wonderful changes. I release my any limitations based on old negative thoughts, and I joyfully look forward to the future. Don't think that it is not possible for me. It is not. No, everything is possible. When one can do it, you can do it. So everything is possible, and you can change yourself the way you want to change. I'm safe in the world. I'm comfortable with the change and growth. You are safe. The universe will always help you whatever the way you want to grow. I give myself the green light to go ahead and to joyously embrace the new. Freedom and change are in the air. I discard the old ideas. Freedom is there in the air. I'm discarding the old ideas. I feel reborn. I am free from the past. I am joyously becoming the new change. Like I said yesterday, past is you forget about the past and don't overthink about the future. Just try to live in the present. Okay. I open my consciousness to the expansion of life. There is a plenty of space for me to grow and change. Every change in my life can lift me to the new level of understanding. It is always easy for me to adapt and change. I am flexible and flowing. I feel safe in the rhythm of flow, ever changing life. Every moment presents a wonderful new opportunity to become more who am I, who I am. I allow change to occur without resistance or a fear. I am free. I am aware that I do not want to change is exactly what I need to change the most. So first thing is I do not want to change. That thing is the one that you have to change most. Everyone changes and I allow the change in everyone. Everyone changes and I allow to change the everyone. Okay. These are the affirmations that you can take. You may need not take all. You take whatever you like. Take one or two and try to practice every day that what you do not want in your life, you take, remove them and replace them with the new change. Then see how miraculously your life will get changed. Okay, friends. Hope you will change that is the things that is not required in your life, and I promise that universe will help you whatever the way you want to change. Okay, tomorrow we'll come up with the one more topic. Thank you, thank you, thank you.